In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Face ID is required to continue because stolen device protection is turned on. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Scroll down until you find the option of Face ID and passcode. Click on that. You will be prompted to enter your passcode. Type in that and you will be redirected to this page. Now here, scroll down until you find the option of stolen device protection. Once you find that option, click on that. Now you will need to toggle off for this option, stolen device protection. Depending on your security settings, you may be required to authenticate with Face ID and in some cases wait through Apple's security delay before this setting can be changed. Once stolen device protection has been turned off, go back and try the action again, whether it's adding in your Face ID, resetting Face ID, or making other changes to your Face ID settings. In many cases, the restriction will no longer appear. Keep in mind that stolen device protection is a security feature designed to protect your Apple account and personal data if your iPhone is stolen. If you decide to disable it, consider turning it back on after you have finished necessary changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.